Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. You might have been aware about the CI K. Nageshwar Rao of Maredpalli of Hyderabad city, who was involved in a case of rape, kidnap and attempt to murder a couple. The victim, the couple who are very well known to him, and he was arrested, he was sent to the court, and I think he was given conditional bail after 2 times the sessions court refused. He was given conditional bail on September 28th. The incident took place on July 6th. So you all know the incident, but better way for your recapitulation, I am giving you the brief details. While working as Inspector Maredpalli, he has got a farmhouse and he has employed a person. The person and his wife, they were staying there. On July 6th, he has telephoned or on mobile phone, he contacted the wife of the so-called watchman farm person and said that I am coming tonight, let us enjoy. She refused. And he has told that I have sent your husband to some other place. She was afraid. She informed the husband to come back immediately. In the meanwhile, this man went to the farmhouse because it is farmhouse. Then he threatened her with the revolver, service revolver. He committed rape on her. In the meanwhile, the husband came. He has broken the doors and he has hit this man with a stick also. So actually, there was a duel. There was a fight between them. At the time also, the CI posed or showed his service revolver and threatened him to shoot with the revolver, and they could not do anything. Therefore, he asked both of them to get out from the place. For that, he has asked both of them to come to sit in his car, and he was taking them. And incidentally, the car met with an accident, and the entire truth came out. A case was registered in Manasthalipuram in this regard, and he was arrested. He was denied bail for 2 times. Ultimately, on September 28th also, he has come on condition bail. This is one part. Now we are coming to the important part. This CI has been dismissed without inquiry. Under which provision? This you have to know. Number 1, under Article 311, Subclause 2 of the Constitution of India. Number 2, Rule number 25, Clause 2 of the Code of Conduct and Appeal Rules or Service Rules of Telangana State. So using powers, they have dismissed him summarily. Please remember. Hyderabad City Police Commissioner C.V. Anand, who suspended Maredpalli CI Koratla Nageshwar Rao following allegations of attempt to murder, rape and kidnap of a woman in July, dismissed him without an inquiry under Article 311. What is 311? First of all, you should know. First, 311 Clause 1 is one thing. 311 Clause 2 is important for us. Right. Article 3711 says dismissal, removal or reduction in the rank of persons employed in civil capacity, police also civil capacity, by the union or by the state. So please remember, they can be dismissed or terminated only by the appointing authority, not by the supervised authority, only by the appointing authority. That means Hyderabad City Police, they can only terminate his services. Second point, actually he has to be given a reasonable opportunity, which we know, RD alteram partem. But section 311 clause 2 subclause B, this is important. Subclause B says, if authority is satisfied that for some reason, of course that reason has to be recorded in writing, for some reason in writing that it is not possible to conduct, it is not reasonably possible, practicable to hold the inquiry, he can be summarily dismissed from service. This happens. Number of cases were also there. 311 clause 2 subclause BC, it says if the president is satisfied, yes, his services can be terminated without any inquiry. So here the important point is there is no point in conducting inquiry because the criminal, he has got a criminal bent of mind. He has got a criminal bent of mind. So Therefore, CI took advantage of his authority, and which is not pardonable by police department. They are there to protect the people, but if they show the revolver to the ordinary gullible persons, so he has got a criminal bent of mind. He can go to any extent to threaten the witnesses or the victims. So therefore, this is enough ground to dismiss him summarily without conducting any inquiry. So in this connection, I want to tell you simple case. So that is Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan versus Satbir Singh Mehta, 2008. Here, the teacher assaulting a principal deserves dismissal without an inquiry. So it is a very serious issue. So I think by now you are clear how a person can be summarily dismissed. Person in civil capacity, please that much remember. Right? Things happen like that. Article 311 will be used sparingly, not often. It is used. So such incidents you have to know the legal position. Therefore, please remember Article 311, particularly 2B, more important, and also Rule 25, Clause 2 of the CCA rules. Of course, that rules are there quite common. Right? With this, I am stopping. Thank you.